Alright, thanks for watching my video. The last thing we're going to do on this car is replace the in-cabin air filter. So, let me show you. So this right here comes off somehow. Apparently I can't do it holding my camera at the same time. So this comes off, it just pops right off. You saw how I did it. And next, we're going to take the sides. Let's take all this junk out. We don't need all that junk in there anyway. We take the sides and we just push them together and kind of give it a little bit of, come on baby, got one side free. There we go. And then our door pops right off. So we're going to drop that on the floor. I don't know if you guys can see up in there. I'm going to try to make it easy for y'all. So now we just pop this off. See if I can do it without because I can't really see. It sucks to be old and blind. There we go. And the new air filter, I'm going to undo this. So here's the old one. This is not OEM. That is not OEM. Look how nasty that is. That might be OEM. That is nasty. Nasty. So the new one is a little bit different, but make sure you get your arrow pointing up, and it just slides right in nicely. Ooh. Come on, Mike. It's not rocket science. There we go. Come on. This is actually harder than it looks with the camera in the way. Okay, that's it. That's all there is to putting your cabin air filter into place. It's pretty easy. Now you just line up your hinges, pop your hinges in, make sure this little arm's out of the way. Pop everything back together, make sure you hook that back. Put all the owner's junk back into the glove box. I'm going to leave the glove box open because I do need to put a card in. I'll be right back. Hang on. So when I say putting a card back in the glove box, this is everything I've done to the car today. So 15,000 miles, we got a tire rotation, cabin air filter, regular air filter. I added coolant. We did go to 5W30 on the engine oil. This is the first time that I've done this car. 2024 Subaru Outback. But we're all done. We're about to send this car home. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. I will put a link to the cabin air filter which I used in the comments below. It did come from Amazon. Thanks. See you next time. Hit that thumbs up button for me.